You just relapsed, or maybe you're about to, and you clicked on this video hoping I'd say something powerful enough to wipe that guilt off your chest. Maybe you want a clean little system, a few motivational words that make you feel disciplined without actually doing the difficult work. But that's not what you're getting here. Because the truth is, sitting here watching this might be the exact reason your streak keeps dying. You think you're fighting lust, but you're not. You're stuck in another dopamine loop. Your brain doesn't really care whether you do the hard thing or just watch someone talk about doing it. When you watch videos about discipline or beating urges, your brain still gets that little dopamine hit. It feels like progress. It feels like momentum. You might even comment, "Day one starts now." For a moment, you feel motivated. But in the real world, nothing changed. You didn't practice discipline. You only imagined it. It's like replacing one addiction with another. You swapped explicit content for endless self-improvement videos, but the mechanism is the same. Screen, emotion, dopamine spike, escape. You don't actually crave growth. What you crave is relief, and self-improvement content can easily become another form of comfort. That's why after a binge of motivational content, your streak feels strong. But the moment you're alone in your room, it collapses. You trained your brain to handle discomfort by scrolling. Instead of building discipline, you outsourced it. Then comes the fantasy. You imagine yourself as some calm, untouchable character, focused, mysterious, grinding in silence like the protagonist of an anime training arc. But reality is simpler than that. You're sitting alone in a dim room, holding your phone, chasing another small hit of motivational dopamine. Real discipline doesn't look like that. Real discipline is physical. It's uncomfortable. It's messy. It has resistance. So here's something real you can do today. Close this app and change something in your environment. Rearrange your room, clean your floor properly, fix something that's broken, move your furniture, open the windows and change the atmosphere. Then move your body. Do push-ups until your arms shake. Carry something heavy longer than you want to. Exhaust yourself, because physical resistance builds mental control. And here's the challenge you probably won't like. For the next 7 days, stop watching self-improvement videos entirely, even this one. If you need to, unsubscribe. When the urge hits, and it will, you're not allowed to search for motivation. No speeches, no videos, no comment sections cheering you on. Just sit there in silence and face it. If you can't survive a single week inside your own mind without someone guiding you through it, then the problem was never motivation. Strength isn't built through constant consumption. It's built through confrontation. Win one silent battle by yourself, then come back. Because real men don't just watch discipline, they practice it.